I'm Steve Smith, the President and CEO of Airlink, a disaster response nonprofit, and our program is called AviationCARE.S. CARE stands for the Coordinated Air Response for Emergency Supplies. In collaboration with partners in the aviation, freight forwarding, and disaster response nonprofit sectors, Airlink has executed a dynamic distribution mechanism to support NGOs responded to COVID-19 around the world. Now, by supporting the movement of this emergency cargo and aid workers in the air freight market that has seen deep cuts in capacity and double-digit increases in freight prices, our program has enabled the equipping of frontline medical staff and volunteers with vital protective equipment, as well as the delivery of hygiene kits and fresh water filtration systems to improve COVID-19 preventative measures for fragile communities across the globe. This has been possible because of air freight logistics expertise, leveraging economies of scale, and partnership. The AviationCARE.S program continues to deliver COVID-19 related aid, and we are still seeking funding and new partners to meet that demand. COVID-19 has made every subsequent disaster a health crisis, changing the dynamic of disaster response itself. The most obvious change being the need for personal protective equipment and the careful deployment of volunteers to limit infection. This has created a range of challenges, but our program continues to find solutions for NGOs.